Okay, so to do your assessment events, start off with your examinations, manage assessment events, grade 4, and we'll take English, and then we'll take the summative titles and then search. Okay, you're going to enter in this into a new name here. You call it C2S_English grade 4, and then it's only one mark, so it's 100, 0, 100, and then you can say save. Once you're done over there, you see it says pending. You can click on here and you can find out which students need to be on it. So you can literally check that box and hit the map students, or else you can let this run overnight, which I would recommend that you do. It's just a lot less work. Once this is finished and everything's run overnight, come here to manage event status and open for mark entry. Then they'll be able to access it, and this would have changed as well overnight.